Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to open an eToro account. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to the official eToro website and click the Join Now button. Step 2. Create your account by entering your email address and choosing a strong password. Step 3. Verify your email address by opening the verification email sent by eToro and clicking the confirmation link. Step 4. Complete your personal details by entering the required information, such as your name, date of birth, and other requested details. Step 5. Verify your identity by uploading your proof of identity and proof of address documents. Once your documents are reviewed and approved, your account verification will be completed. Step 6. That's it. Your eToro account is now ready to use. You can fund your account and start trading whenever you're ready. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.